Hey traders, it's VIX time. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alright, VIX time. So guys, I did a video last week and I left it here. It was actually not this day here. This is when I started moving some stuff. I've been doing some trades with the VIX, but it was actually this day here, and I said on this day here where we are, right, this day right here, which was the 15th of the 7th, which is basically the 15th of July 2016, which was this day right here. It's actually the 14th. This is the 14th. It's actually, it was actually the 14th here. It was actually the 14th. It was the 15th Australian time, you know, it was 14th American time, so American day. So this was the 14th here, and this is the 15th here. So this is where I said great time to buy the VIX call options. So looking at this where we are right now, guys, you can see the market's had a big pullback where we are right now, and the market's down through here. And I said to you guys that, you know, that this is a great time to get into the VIX, and I'm getting more into the VIX, and I'm rolling over my VIX and all that sort of stuff that I'm saying. But as you can see, if I show you this chart here, as you can see, over this last couple of years, let me keep scrolling up. Look where it is right now compared to where it goes to, guys. That's why I'm saying VIX is a great trade right now. Now, you're not going to make a lot of money, or you might make a lot of money if you do get some havoc. And you know, I just think it's a great trade. It's one of the most lowest risk, highest probability trades on the planet. How can it not be when you can see how low it goes before it spikes again? Whether it's going to spike again, and what a perfect time to be getting into right now and holding it to for the rest of the year, knowing that we're gonna get worse and worse and worse and worse terrorist attacks. It's just a no-brainer, right? You can see it's absolutely a no-brainer. The VIX doesn't go down. See, but the thing, guys, for this is you got to buy in the money. You got to buy in the money call options, and you've also got to. You got to buy in the money call options, and you've also got to give yourself time. So buy yourself as much time as possible in the money call options and let it go. That's the best way I can say this, because you don't know when the spike is going to happen. But I do believe we're likely to see another 55, maybe 60, 70 VIX this year. That's just what I think. So moving on to that, you can see that through there. But if I show you like even the weekly chart, right? This is the weekly chart. We're going back years and years and years and years and years and years and years worth of data, right? And you can see that if I keep squeezing up and keep squeezing up, back here in like 07, right? We got down here at like 10. That was the only time in the last decade we actually got down there at 10, right? And then look what happened. Look what happened. You know, look what happened six or so months later. We went from 10 up to 36, which is a 250% increase. Now, what is that with a call option? I don't know. Pretty good. Where are we at right now? What if we only get to, as you can see, but I guess the point I'm trying to make, guys, you can see down the bottom here, right? Is like it got down to here around 10 again, down here at mid 2014. But the average bottom of this, where it is right now, is around that level there. And what is that? What is this level through here? Let me actually show you the value. That's the value through there. That's that level through there. You can see $11.79 is where it generally makes a low before we rally back up again. It makes a low, rally back up again. What are we seeing here? We're making a low. And even if it goes from like 12, even if it goes where it is right now, and it rallies back up again to like, say, 20. Well, guys, that's a 50% move. You know, like you're talking like, again, you're not talking, you know, even if it doesn't spike up to, you know, back up to 50 or whatever, you know what I mean? Even if it doesn't do that, then, you know, even if it doesn't do that and we only get back to 2025, again, guys, it's all about probability of a trade. So now you guys know, now you guys understand the reason why I like the VIX so much, and the reason why I'm trading the VIX is because of the setup, and especially right now. Again, great time to buy the VIX. This is the video I did last week, and I'm just giving you an update, guys, to see where it is right now. We've had a little bit of a pullback today, a little bit of a pullback on basically sideways action for the last couple of days, ever since I did this day here. So I'm just going to keep it on there. And even if we do get a little bit more movement to the downside, guys, to me, it's like it can't go much lower. Maybe $1 or $2 to the downside, then we're likely to bounce and go back up to 20 or something like that over the next 3 to 6 months, right? So that's the trade that I look at there, guys. So anyway, guys, there's an update on the VIX. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course. And I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.